Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Today we have something excited video for all of you guys. It's been 3 years since the release of OnePlus 8 and we thought it was the perfect time to share our long time review. It's this flagship device is still worth it in 2023. Let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from Shadat's Layout. Alright, let's start with the design. Even after 3 years, the OnePlus 8 still hold up well in terms of aesthetics. The slim profile and the stunning display and the iconic OnePlus logo at the back. The display on the OnePlus 8 is simply gorgeous. The 6.55-inch Full AMOLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate still look standing in 2023. The colors are bright and the contrast is excellent and the smooth of the 90Hz refresh rate make every swipe and scrolling feel buttery smooth. Now let's talk about the performance. The OnePlus 8 was a beast when it first hit the market, powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset with 8 and 12 GB of RAM. This device can handle anything you throw at it. From multitasking to gaming, the OnePlus 8 continues to deliver a smooth and snappy user experience. Next up, the camera. The OnePlus 8 comes with triple camera setup. It still takes a fantastic photo. The 48-megapixel main camera sensor captures sharp and detailed images, and the low light performance has improved over the time with software update. Battery life. OnePlus 8 doesn't disappoint. The 4300 mAh battery I can easily get through a full day without needing to reach for the charger. So if you're looking for a reliable flagship phone, the OnePlus 8 is still fantastic choice in 2023. That's our long time review of the OnePlus 8. If you found this video helpful, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.